Here's a simple and delicious potato sandwich recipe for you. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized potatoes, 2 slices of bread, white whole wheat or your choice, 1 small onion finely chopped, optional, 1 to 2 green chilies finely chopped, optional, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, optional, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves chopped, optional, butter or oil for toasting, and cheese slices, optional. Instructions. 1. Boil the potatoes. Peel and boil the potatoes until tender. Drain and let them cool, then mash them in a bowl. Prepare the filling. In a pan, heat a little oil or butter. Add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Let them splutter. Add the chopped onions and green chilies. Sauté until the onions are translucent. Add turmeric powder and salt. Mix well. Add the mashed potatoes and mix until combined. Stir in chopped coriander if using. Assemble the sandwich. Take a slice of bread and spread a generous amount of the potato filling on it. If you like, add a slice of cheese on top. Place another slice of bread on top to form a sandwich. Toast the sandwich. Heat a pan or griddle. Add a little butter or oil. Place the sandwich in the pan and toast until golden brown on one side. Then flip and toast the other side. Serve. Cut the sandwich in half and serve hot with ketchup or chutney. Enjoy your delicious potato sandwich. Feel free to customize it with your favorite spices or vegetables.